Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Twitch tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a follower goal to your Twitch stream in OBS using Streamlabs widgets. So the first thing we need to do is go to streamlabs.com and check the description. I have all the links as well as a detailed write-up down there of how to do this. So when we get to streamlabs.com, go ahead and log in and select Login with Twitch. If this is your first time, you may have to grant some access to Streamlabs to your Twitch channel, but that's pretty normal. And Streamlabs is actually a very well-known name in the Twitch streaming community, and they're actually considered safe. So once we get into Streamlabs and you're logged in, go over to the left sidebar and select Widgets. And then once we're in here, we're going to select Follow a Goal. So once we're in the Follow a Goal section, we need to configure two different tabs. The first is going to be the Manage Goal, and then the Settings. So the settings here are going to change the look of the follower goal. We can change the color of the bar, make it nice and red, something like that. We can also change the layout. They have a condensed version, which looks a little bit cleaner, but it's not going to have the date information for when your goal actually ends. So I'll leave it at standard right now. We can also determine the thickness of the bar and the font. All right, so once you've configured the look of it, we need to go over and actually create our goal. The first is going to be the title. Just going to do follower goal. Then the goal amount, I want to have about 90 followers, and then your starting amount. So this is how many you actually have right now. I think I have 41, so I'm going to do 41. And then after that, we set the time where the goal will end. So as you can see right here, it shows 7 days to go. This is how you configure that. So I'm going to do the end of the month. Now that we have that configured, go down and select Start Follower Goal. There we go. Now we can see what it will look like on the stream. Once we have that configured, go up to the widget URL and select Copy. And now we're going to go over to OBS. So as you can see right here, I have a scene configured. This is my stream. I'm just going to go under the sources and add a new source. So we're going to select the plus symbol and I'm going to go to browser. This might also be labeled browser source. Go ahead and select that. Create a new one by selecting OK. And then in this URL section right here, we're going to paste that URL we just copied from Streamlabs. This goal is a little bit long, so I'm going to adjust the height so that it's only about 100 pixels. And then I'm going to select OK. Now we have this little red box right here. We can make it bigger by just dragging and dropping it. And then I'm just going to move it down to the bottom of my stream in the center. And there we go. That's how you configure a Twitch follower goal in OBS using Streamlabs widgets. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Twitch tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.